Our backyard is about to get a major upgrade. We just got this beautiful 35-inch fire pit. I am really excited to use it. You can just use it as like a regular fire pit. You can put your coal, you can put your wood in here. You would take this off and you would take this piece off here. But these two here are the things that I am most excited about. This actually then becomes like an over the fire barbecue. You can actually put food on here. You can also put food on here. This swivels around, which is really great. You can also adjust the height. It can go higher or lower if you want it, you know, depending on how close you want it to the flames. It even comes with a really nice poker here, so you can move around your coals or your wood. And then when you are done using it, you actually can take this out, and then there's just a nice plain cover, steel cover that will go right here to keep that protected. And then it kind of turns it into a table, which is really cute. Very multifunctional. I'm so excited.